have amazing dances. Every day we dance at least twice ecstatically. Try it out, right? Just try it out.
And you can be truly yourself, feeling really your body, being grounded, and just feel like you're alive.
I love to dance, express myself, being crazy. I love it.
Fantastic festival, such an experience. I can be true myself.
It is a blast. I mean, I could call it, I found my tribe here.
I know I'm glowing here, I'm open and I'm full, you know? I'm feeling it all.